Hey guys, so yesterday I stumbled across this tweet by Paul Backhaus, who is the founder, the creator of Impeccable. And if you don't know what Impeccable is, it's this really great design skill that you can apply to Claude Code or to Codex. It has 23 different commands. And I have a great video on setting that up if you want to check that out. But going back to the tweet, he created this like Tokyo event page with this really unique brand style to it. All AI generated images, as you can tell, but very, very unique style applied to the whole site. Like really, really nice details. Like for example, this tree at the footer or like these circles that you see everywhere. And basically the process is pretty simple. You start with the shape command, which basically creates a brand toolkit for you, identity palette, type, icon language, applications, etc. And then there's a visualize step, which is the hi-fi reference. So it creates like another design for you before actually building it out. And then the last step, which is ship, is the live build. So it actually then uses the Impeccable skill to build out the site based on these previous steps. So we can go ahead and click on open the live site, and you can see that this is the live site. I'm just scrolling through it. You see the different images that it's using. And this whole thing really is a 4-step process. And we're going to take our time in today's video to kind of go through these 4 steps and build something ourselves. But guys, before we dive into today's topic, I'd love to invite you all to my Discord community, the Creator Network. We get together every single weekday to talk about different tools and topics. So if you guys are interested in talking about these types of stuff, feel free to join. Link is down below. So for the first step, it says from a blank file to design feature. So 3 commands, 1 arc. Impeccable teach writes a brief. Once per project, Impeccable shape drafts a reference you can look at, and Impeccable craft codes towards what you can see. So words, then pictures, then code. That's the whole, deal here. So the first command that we're going to be using, I guess, is teach, and that's where we're going to teach Impeccable about what, who your product is for. But before we do anything, I think it's important to just get started with Impeccable. So let's go ahead and go to the getting started tab over here, and go to step 1, install and copy this. And then you want to open up your Claude desktop app, and you want to open up a new folder. You can open a folder and create a new one like this, name it whatever you want. And then we can just paste this in here and click on enter. And you can obviously just open up your terminal and run that command in here as well if you don't want to waste tokens. And all right, perfect. It says that it's installed. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to write Impeccable and then teach. And so it's asking us a list of different questions. And it says that once we answer, it's going to synthesize this into a design context block and write it into this markdown file. So future design work in this project stays anchored to it. And so these are some like really good examples of what you can add. So for anti-references, we have purple gradients, glass morphism, hype, voice, calm, clinical, no hype, and users, SREs on call, reading fast, often in dark. These are pretty interesting things to add to these questions or to your answers. And so I basically added all of my different answers here, and I'm going to go ahead and submit this. And this is what I wrote in case you guys want to check it out. All right. And it gives us like this paragraph that shows that there's like a conflict between playfulness and extra large fonts, which is something I didn't want, but it gave us some type of suggestion. And then it says, whenever you're ready, you can just run this prompt and we'll build out your site. But before I do that, I just want to write Impeccable, and I want to say space shape. And this is where we want to do this specific, these next 2 steps, right? Like we want to shape the brand toolkit, and we want to visualize a landing page, just creating an image based on this brand toolkit. So I'm just going to copy this part of this text over here and shape a brand toolkit. Use OpenAI GPT Image to generate the toolkit. And in order to do that, you need to go to openai.com/API and hit login to the API platform and create a new secret key like this. And before I write my key, it says, do you have a brand name in mind or should I pick? I'm going to say that it should pick, and I'm going to specify that it has to be GPT Image 2. All right, and it stopped generating. It gave me this really bad result because it used GPT Image 1, and it didn't use GPT Image 2 because I didn't verify my organization in this link. And that's a very important step for you to do in order for this to work. And the application process was pretty much very simple. You have to scan your ID and scan your face, and it took like maybe 2 minutes. And it says that it's under review, and I'm going to get, I'm going to see it appearing in the next few days, but actually it appeared in like 10 minutes. All right. And we get this, which looks pretty interesting. It's like, it gives us this editorial layout, but it's still pretty playful with the colors, I guess. I really like this kind of like city vibe over here. I don't know what this is really, but it looks pretty interesting. But this is pretty good for a start, right? I like these colors. I like that it's minimal black and white, but it has like these main color highlights, and it gave it a name, plot. So plot your channel, YouTube growth for founders, plot.so. And so now the next step here is to visualize. So hi-fi reference the destination before the first line of CSS, craft code towards a concrete image, not an abstract brief. So we want to basically get this and turn it into an image of how our landing page can look like. And then I'm going to say use the attached design as a reference. So it's basically I'm giving it that landing page design that it shows on the site. All right, and this is what we get for a landing page, right? We have the hero section with this new illustration over here on the side. We have this section over here. We have the founders with like consistent imagery and with this like illustration style, which looks pretty interesting. Very interesting that it also gives us these shapes, but you can go ahead and tweak whatever you want. If you don't like the shapes, you can take them away. You can add like, I don't know, graphs or like gradients if you wanted to. And then it says 2 natural steps from here when you want them. And this one, it says impeccable craft landing page. So we're going to do that. And we're going to turn this comp into real coded HTML using this markdown file and this image as a source of truth. So let's go ahead and paste this in here, send this. All right. It says that the landing page is built, but if I like make it larger, as you can see, it kind of created the graphics from scratch, and we don't want that. We want the graphics, or we want the images to be created in GPT Images 2 and then added here to the design. So that's what we're going to do. All right, and it says now it's generating 9 editorial illustrations via the GPT Images 2 and then swapping them into the page in place of the inline SVG, exactly what we wanted. But yeah, guys, once it's done, we have something like this where we have the hero image on the right. All right, and once we're done, we get our design looking like this. And it's kind of like, in terms of the layout, it's kind of off. I do love the images that ChatGPT created or GPT Image 2 created, but something's kind of off with the layout here, I'd say. And it looks pretty AI generated. So what I can do is I can, again, hit that new skill, Impeccable, and then write polish our entire design. And then eventually after we polish our design, we get a bit more of a nicer, outcome. Instead of having those different texts in the hero section, we now have just 2 colors and 1 font. So we have YouTube growth for founders. Like I said, I have another video on Impeccable if you guys want to like learn more about how to do the other things, the other refinements that Impeccable offers, like animations or like colorize or delight. But you can basically go here and continue designing your site with Claude, animating your site, improving the layout, making certain sections quieter, and so on and so forth. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And like always, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.